Hi, and welcome to Cooking with Karen. Today I am making a chicken and rice casserole using Thrive Life food. This is all food that you can get in your pantry and have on hand whenever you need it. So first I need rice, and so the recipe called for instant rice. I happen to have regular rice at home, so that's what I use. Instant rice would be a lot quicker, but I had cooked up 2 cups of rice. It's still nice, hot, and steamy right now. So I have that in a bowl. To that, I'm going to mix in some chicken. So let me show you what I did. I have some chopped chicken from Thrive, and I just put it in hot water. I find hot water just helps it refresh a little bit faster. But I am just going to drain out a little bit of that water and then add it to my rice. So here we go. Okay, so here's my chicken, and look at that. Nice big pieces of chicken, and it's soft. See, I can squish it. It's nice. It's not seasoned, so it's just plain chicken. So I'm just gonna dump it in to my rice. Okay. Gonna scrape out the little pieces of meat. Want to get as much of it as you can. Okay, the next thing we're gonna need is some peas. So I used Thrive peas. Now look how green those are. Isn't that beautiful? These green peas are amazing. Okay, so I just drained a little bit of the water. And there you go. And again, I used hot water. You don't have to, but I just find hot water is a little faster. And then if I use that, then I don't really have to heat it if I just wanted to serve it right away because it'd be warm already. So there's your peas. Beautiful, beautiful green peas. I'm just gonna dump them in. Okay, so the recipe asked for a family-sized can of cream of chicken soup, which was about 22 plus ounces, but I just have the small ones, so this is going to be a little bit more, but because I used regular rice instead of instant rice, I probably have a little bit more rice anyways. So I'm going to put in 3 cans of the cream of chicken soup. All right. Okay, so now we're gonna add some spices. So in here I have some Thrive freeze-dried garlic. I have onion powder, which you can find easily in the spice aisle at the grocery store, salt and pepper, and yeah, that's about it. So I'm just gonna pour that in. All right, so this next one is, I think that was almost everything. One more ingredient. And then we can bake it for 15 minutes at 350 degrees. All right, so this one is very interesting. So this is cheese, grated cheese. All right, so I just added, so there's 1.5 cups here. I added just under half a cup of cool water, and then I just mixed it in here and tousled it around. And then sometimes it takes a little bit of time to get soft, but look at that cheese. Like, it's grated cheese. It doesn't like all clump together unless you use hot water. And we're gonna put this in to the casserole. So come and check this out. Okay, we're gonna mix that up. And then I just sprayed a casserole dish with some Pam, and I'm just going to pour this into the casserole dish. See, that makes quite a bit. So a nice family-sized meal. There we go. Get the last pieces of that out of the bowl. All right, so this is it. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? So you can put the cheese, half the cheese in first and then put the rest of the cheese on top. I mixed it all in there just so it can absorb a little bit more moisture while it's cooking, but it's gonna be great. So I'm gonna put this in the oven, and here's my lid. Cook it at 350 for 15 to 20 minutes and serve it with some vegetables and a family meal, nice and quick with Thrive Life. Pantry food, easy, here whenever I need it. All right, till next time. Okay, so I just took it out of the oven. It's been cooking for 15 to 20 minutes at 350. Come take a look. All right, it looks nice and creamy. And look at that. Yum. This is what we're eating tonight. Looks delicious.